Max here with you again. Welcome to the MS Workshop channel. Today, we're doing the second rope cutting test with the Spyderco Resilience in S35VN. As you can see, I've made an M marking. This is sharpened at the same angle, 20 degrees per side, but with 150 grit according to JIS. Last time, with a 3000 grit finish, the knife managed 25 cuts through 1-inch rope. Today, we'll test it and see how many cuts we get with a coarse finish and a micro-serrated edge, without micro bevels. Just 150 grit, 20 degrees. Let's get started with the tests. The knife no longer catches along the entire length, only in a few spots. I don't see any really obvious damage, but most likely the edge has already dulled. After 50 cuts, near the heel where I barely cut, it still cuts more or less. Actually, no, even there it doesn't want to go through. Yeah, it's already splitting and tearing. It still manages to cut when the paper is folded in half. Overall, this is already an unusable cut. But nevertheless, 50 cuts is a 50% increase. That's pretty good in my opinion. With a 3000 grit finish, the angle is 20 degrees per side. It used to be 25 cuts with the finish. 150 grit according to the GIS standard. We got 50 cuts. So that's a doubling of the result. I think that's a pretty good result. And overall, this is an entry-level steel. Sure, it's powder steel, but still, it's entry-level powder. And overall, not bad, so you can actually get more cuts just by changing the grit. If you use a coarser stone for sharpening, in other words, roughening the finish will give you more cuts. So that means we definitely need to test edge retention with micro bevels and different angles as well. But for now, this is the trend we're seeing. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. As you can see, the channel is new, and your support is really important because it motivates us to do more and more interesting tests.